वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। क्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। We were doing the exercise, we'll complete. The monkey staying on the tree began to throw fruits at the man lying on the ground. All right, whose turn it was? Anyway, Niklesh. Huh? Aha, correct. Vrukshasthaha sthaha kapayaha और वानराहा. हाँ. Then? हाँ. कम प्रति. वसुदा शये. ओके. और भूमि शये नरे. और प्रति नरम प्रति. हाँ. हाँ. तो हियर वसुधाशये और भूमिशये और भूमिशयं प्रति. Okay. Okay. The prati is better towards they have given, so all right, but that also is okay. At the man or saptami at is there, so okay. Next, Tanaya. Okay, here the samasa is staying on the tree. Vrukshasthaha. Which samasa? Upapada. What is the vigraha? Iti. Vrukshe tishtanti iti vrukshasthaha. Okay. Then what is the second samasa? Correct. All right. Second, next one.
Current of the river having become rapid carried away the small boat. So current of the river, Natyaha Srotaha, having become rapid, Shigri Bhuya, carried away the small boat.
Good.
Naukam
Apanayat. Correct. Okay. Nadi, what is that? Nadyaha. Yes, samasa is there for that? No. Okay. Nadyaha Srotaha. You have done samasa? Okay. It can be done. It can be done samasa. Nadi Srotaha. It's possible. Nadyaha Srotaha. Then Shigri Bhuya. Is it a samasa? विच समासा? हाँ, गति समास. गस, गति समास. हैं? विच समासा? Oh, sorry. नद्याः. Correct, correct. Correct. Good. Thank you. नद्याः नदीस्रोतः. ओके. षष्ठी तत्पुरुष. हाँ. शीघ्रीभूय लघु नौकाम. काम. हाँ. ओके. लघु नौकाम. What will be the vigraha?
कर्मधारय लघ्वी च अतौ नौका च.
हाँ. Okay, कर्मधारय. Clear to everybody this sentence? Clear? नद्याः स्रोतः शीघ्रीभूय लघुनौकाम् अपानयत्. शीघ्रीभूय is a samasa, gati samasa. Why is it gati samasa, Nikhilesh? Correct? On what basis? Chvi. Chvi pratyanta. All right. So chvi pratyanta is there. There or not chvi pratyaya is there? Okay. Is it clear? This sentence clear? Okay. Next. Arun.
Holding the ox by the horns.
Holding?
Holding the ox by the horns.
Ah.
The strong man made him fall on the ground.
Okay. Okay, let us slowly. Okay, let me hear first. Balavat.
Balavat purushaha.
You can make, we are making samasa. Okay, balavat. Otherwise, what will be there?
Balavan purusha.
They have asked us to do samasa? Yeah, okay. Balavat purusha. Correct. So you have to do.
Balavan cha asau purusha karmadhara.
Correct. So, you are right. You should do samasa. Balavat naraha or balavat purusha. Okay.
Balavat purushaha. Vrishabham shringabhyam grinhan.
Shrungabhyam not necessary, no? Horns they have written? Horns. Okay. Shrungabhyam. Correct.
Shringabhyam grinhan. Tam bhumau patayat.
Grinnan. Okay. Grinnan. Yeah, correct. Yes. Grinnan tam patayati. Okay. Balavat purushaha. Or anybody has written anything else? Balavan naraha. Balavan naraha. Prabala naraha. Prabala nara, prabala purusha can be there. Okay. So we can have balavat naraha, prabala. Okay. And here it can be nara. Okay. Balavat purushaha. Then Rishabham.
Shringabhyam
Grinnan or grihitva also okay. Grinnan. Okay, but is you have written Grinnan. Okay. Sorry. Grinnan. Grinnan.
tam bhumau patayat.
Patayati. Patayati no. Tam. Apatayat. What is the identification of apatayat?
Vijanta pati dhatu.
Huh?
Vijanta pati dhatu.
Pati is there? What? Okay, pati, okay. Okay, okay. Pat dhatu, not pati. Ha, derive, okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Pati dhatu langlakara pratma purusha.
And prathama purusha? Okay. And lang lakara? Or lat? Huh? Okay, correct. Okay. So balavat purushaha vrishabam shrungabhyam gृह्णन्तं bhumau apatayat. Only one samasa, karmadhare samasa. Balavan cha asau purushaha balavan balavat purushaha. Alright, so with this we have completed 23rd lesson. Now we are entering into the next Bahuvrihi. Bahuvrihi samasa we have studied in general. Bahuvrihi samasa is which padartha pradhana? Anya padartha pradhana. Means it will be referring to somebody other than the entities referred to in the samasa. Like generally we give the example Pitambaraha. Pitambaraha. So what is the vigraha? Ambaram yasya. So is anya padartha pradhana because it is neither the finally the one who is referred to Pitambaraha, Krishnaha, Vishnu. So that Vishnu is not referred to by the word Pitam nor referred to by the word Ambaram. Ambaram means dress, cloth. And therefore this samasa is called Anya Padartha Pradhana, where the another person, the person who is not referred to by the words used in the samasa is Pradhanam, means he is referred to. Alright. Now regarding this Bahuvrihi, what is the vigraha of Bahuvrihi? Amma? What is the vigraha? Bahavaha. Bahavaha. Vrihayaha. Bahavaha Vrihayaha Yasya. Or you can say Bahuvrihi also. Jato ekvachana. Bahuhu Vrihihi Yasya. So Bahuvrihi means what? Vrihi means paddy. Okay. So one who has got lot of paddy, paddy means rice, grain, is called Bahuvrihi. Okay. So now we are familiar with this. Now in Bahuvrihi, okay, let us read this. Anya padartha pradhano Bahuvrihi. We have already studied this. The Bahuvrihi compound is always an adjective, qualify a noun, expressed or understood. Pitambara Bahuvrihi is an adjective to Vishnu, which may be mentioned, may not be mentioned. In the sentence, sometimes the person who is mentioned by Bahuvrihi samasa is not expressed. Only say Pitambaraha agacchati. Aham Pitambaram prarthayami. So Vishnu is not mentioned. So that's why it is said that either expressed or understood. When I say Pitambaraha agacchati, so it is expressed or understood? Understood. Sometimes it will be expressed also. Pitambaraha Vishnuhu agacchati. Is it clear? So sometimes expressed, sometimes understood. Special rules are there. Those in the so many sutras are involved. So we will not go much into details about sutra. I will just give the name of the sutra, number perhaps. Okay. Special rules relating to the Bahuvrihi. Okay. The adjective Mahat assumes the form Maha as first member of Bahuvrihi. Like, this is a very popular word we have used several times. You know which one? Ah, correct. So, Mahat, Pratipadika is Mahat, Atman. So, Vigraha, Mahan, Atma, Yasya. So, Mahan, Atma. So, Mahan Pratipadika is Mahat, Atma Pratipadika, Atman. So, here Mahan, see Mahat, Maha, Mahat becomes Maha. If you remember, in Samasa we have to use Pratipadika only. So, Mahan, Pratipadika is Mahat. And here this rule is what? Mahat will change to Maha. So, it will be Mahatma. So, Mahatma it will be. Bahuri, Mahan Atma Yasya. So, Mahamanaha, Mahat Manaha Yasya, Mahamanaha. So, there also Mahat becomes Maha. Alright. Alright, that is first. The sutra is, we have already seen this. An Mahata Samanadi Karana Jati Yo 6345. There 6345, just see. Okay. Or 44, in your book it may be different slightly. Huh? 46, okay. So 46. 6346. Sakthi and Akshi, denoting the members of the body, become Saktha and Aksha. Sakti means the thigh, and Aksha means the eye. So, Dirgha, Sakti, Yasya. So, here Sakti will become Saktha. So, it will be final Samasa will be Dirgha Saktaha. Alright. So, this is based on the sutra. There is Baufriho Saktha Yakshnaha Swangacha. I think it is 54113 or 114 in your book. And Akshi will become, Akshi means eye, will become Aksha. Huh? 113? Okay, 113, yes, 54113. So, like Jalajam Iva Akshi Yasya. So, Akshi will become Aksha. So, Jalajaksha it will become. Jalajaksha means one whose eyes are like lotus. Jalajam is lotus. Why lotus is called Jalaja? What is the Vigraha? Jalaja. Huh? Karan? Jale jayate. Jale jayate iti jalajaha. It's not like coming out of water, no? In water. Jalaj is not upadana like that. So jalad is Jalad jayate, that will be what? Can you tell me now? You are taking my time. So Anybody? What is called in Sanskrit? Jalad jayate taranga. Okay, clear. Okay, let us not get sidetracked. We have so much to cover. But for my nature is like this. So unless we clarify, we don't go proceed. Okay. So Jalajakshaha. Then next one is Murdhan becomes Murdha when preceded by Dvi or Tri. Dvitribhyam Sha Murdnaha 54115. So this rule says that Murdhan means what? Nikhilesh? Huh? Head. The simple head. Murdha means head. Okay, so Murdhan becomes Murdha. Murdhan word is that Pratipadika. In Samasa we have to use Pratipadika. So Murdhan will become Murdha. So we say Dve Murdni Yasya will be Dvi Murdha. Murdni Yasya. So Murdha will become, Murdhan will become Murdha. So it will be Murdha. What is the meaning of Dvi Murdha? Two heads. Clear? Okay. So Dvitribhyam Sha Murdnaha 5415. Praja and Medha becomes Prajas and Medha. Praja and Medha becomes Prajas and Medhas when preceded by A, Dus and Su. There is a sutra Nityamasi Praja Medayoho 5, 4, 122. 122. Is there? 122 only? Okay. I don't know. Sometimes it matches, sometimes doesn't match. Okay. So what it says, Praja will become Prajas. Like Avidyamana Prajayasya will be what? Aprajaha. Aprajaha. Pratipadika will be Aprajas. So what is the rule says the Praja word will change to Prajas. So na vidyate A will come here. A. So Aprajas. Pratipadika will be Aprajas. So Aprajaha, Aprajasau, Aprajasaha. So like Nachiketas. So this rule says that Praja will change to Prajas. Similarly, Medha changes to Medhas. Amedhaha. Amedhaha means what? Huh? Unintelligent. Avidyamana Medhayasya. So from Avidyamana A only remains Medha. So Medha will become Medhas. So we'll have Pratipadika Amedhas. So this rule says what? Huh? 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 Nanch? Huh? Nanch Pratyaya only, yes. Alright. So Nanch Samasa, Nanch Bahuvrihi. Is it clear? This Medha becomes what? Huh? Medhas. Praja becomes? Prajas. Correct. So Sakaranta Shabda. Dharma becomes Dharman when preceded by one single word. Means more than one it will not happen. One is there, it will happen. For example, Kalyanaha Dharmaha Yasya. Kalyana means auspicious. Dharma here in this quality. So Dharma will become Dharman. Kalyana will be Kalyana only. So Pratipadika will be Kalyana Dharman. Prathama Vibhakti will be what? Kalyana Dharma. Is it clear? So, what is the rule here? Dharma become dharman. The dharmad anich kevalat. 54124 is there? 54124. Okay. So dharma become dharman when preceded by single. But if it is two, grama raja dharmo, then it will not become. Grama rajau, then it will not become. If one word is there, kalyana, then only it will happen. Okay, next one. 6. Dhanus become dhanvan at the end of Baurihi. The sutra is Dhanushasya. 54132. He says Dhanush word will become Dhanva, Dhanvan. Like we say, Sharanga Dhanuhu Yasya. Sharang Dhanuhu Yasya. Sharang means made of horn. It's called Sharang. So here Dhanus will change to Dhanvan. So it will become what? Sharang Dhanvan. So Sharanga Dhanva. Whose name it is? You know? It comes where? Huh? What is the word? Shanga Dhanva. What is the next? Huh? Shanga Dhanva Gadadharaha. Good. Now we can relate to all this. Shanga Dhanva, how? What is this? This is what it is. Is it clear? So Dhanu become Dhanvan. So Shanga Dhanva. Giri Dhanva. Giri Dhanva, where it comes? Comes? Giri Dhanvane in Rudram it comes. Giri Dhanva. Giri Dhanva means what? Karan? Huh? Correct, yeah. Correct, you are not confident. Giri, mountain is the bow for whom? No, mountain is the bow for him. Giri Dhanvane. Alright. Then, Gandha becomes Gandhi when preceded by Ud, Puti, Su, Surabhi, or by a term of comparison. The sutra is Gandhasyedat Puti Surabhi Bhyaha. 54135. There? 54135. So the Gandha becomes Gandhi. Like what? Ud. Udgandhi. Utkataha. Gandha, yes. Utkata means strong. From that Utkata only Ut will remain. So it will become Udgandhi. Gandhi. Udgandhi means, what will be the meaning of Udgandhi, Arun?
Good smell. The one who has good smell.
Strong smell. Just now I said strong. So one with strong smell. Some people are really with strong smell. So Udgandhi means one with strong smell. Similarly, Sugandhi. Sugandhi Maruto Yatha. Have you heard? Where? Where it comes? Sugandhi Maruto Yatha. You are not telling, you are supposed to tell. Because it is connected with you. Guru Paduka project. Where it comes? Dhupaha. Okay. Udgandhi, Sugandhi, Puti Gandhi, Surabhi Gandhi, etc. And also comparison. Padma Gandhi. Padma Gandhi means what? Huh? Fragrance like? Huh? What? One who has smell? Ah, correct. One who has smell like lotus. Okay? It doesn't refer to the smell. It refers to the person or object which has got smell like. So, Padma Gandhi. Gandhi. Okay. Then Pada becomes path when preceded by a term of comparison. Vyaghra. The typical example is Vyagrasya Padaha Iva Padaha Yasya. Or Pado Yasya. Pada or Pado, both. It can be both. None is not equal to Padma Gandhi, okay? It will be Pada. Pada word will change to path. Vyaghra. Pada will change to path. So, Vyaghra path. So, Vyaghra path means a person whose feet are like tiger. Clear? So, Pada becomes path. Huh? Chatushpat. There is different rules applied. But here he gives only for term of compare. Or number also. Number also he gives. Chatushpat. Chatvaraha padaha yasyaha. Chatushpat. Yasya kasya? Correct. Yasya atmanaha sa Chatushpat. Chatushpad Atma. What are the 4 feet of Atma? Huh? In Mandukya language what? Mandukya language what? Vaishwanara. Pragnani. Pragna. Turiya. Don't say Turiya. Turiya means that that god, bottle god, no? Some god is called Turiya. Turiya also has got musical instrument. Alright, Chatvara. It is in between. Vedanta also comes here. Chatvaraha pada. Okay, next. Supat. Shushtuhu padaha yasya. Supat. Alright, next. All Bahuvrihi may take the suffix ka. Some take it necessarily. Those ending with a comparative in, okay. So, some take it necessarily, comma. Those ending with a comparative in yes, never take it. Okay. So, here he is talking about samasanta pratyaya. Samasanta pratyaya means the suffix which are to be added at the end of samasa. And here is talk about kap pratyaya. In Bahuri, one kap pratyaya is very popular. Kap is not our cup. Kap is a pratyaya, samasanta pratyaya. And it says, all Bahuris may take means optional. The suffix ka. For that sutra is, some take it necessarily. I will first talk about those which take necessarily. For that sutra is uraf prabrutibhyaha kap. Uraf prabrutibhyaha kap. It is sutra number 5415. Oh, sorry, 151. 151? Okay. So 151. So this sutra says kap pratyaya. This is a kap pratyaya vidayaka sutra. Kap. there is a Gana where Ura etc. word is there. Uraha, Lakshmi, Sarpis, Anudvan. So these words are there. And all those words will take kap pratyaya when they are at the end. So Urah Prabhrutibhyaha means Bahuvrihi Samasa ending in Uras etc. will take kap pratyaya. Like they have given the example. Okay, here they have not given, afterwards it will come. Vyudho, Vyudaha, Uraha, Yasya. Uraha means the thigh. So those who have got big thigh is called Vyudhoraska. Ka pratyaya will be added. Or Priya Sarpishka. Priyaha Sarpihi Yasya. Priya Sarpiskaha. Sarpiskaha. Okay. So the samasa which is ending with uras etc. will take kap pratyaya. So they will necessarily take. Another one is sutra is nadyurutascha. Nadrutascha. I think it's very similar. 153 there, no? So nadi sangnaka shabda and ruta rukaranta shabda, if they are there at the end of the Bahuvri, then also kap pratyaya will come. Nadi sangna means what? Nadi sangna ka shabda kaha? Huh? But which one will have nadi sangna? You have studied the sutra, Nadi Sutra, Nadi Sangnaka. Nadi Sangnaka has not been studied. Use Triakhyo Nadi, you have not come? But not come. Okay. Anyway, so Nadi means Ikaranta, Idanta, Udanta, Strilinga Shabda, they are called Nadi. Use Triakhyo Nadi. There is a sutra. The sutra, I don't know where it comes. Use Trakhyo Nadi. You may get somewhere, yeah. So, Nadi and Rukaranta. If they are there at the end, then the kap pratyaya will necessarily come. So, I am taking now necessary. This Uraf Prabhuti will have necessary kap pratyaya. Nadi Rut also will have kap pratyaya. For example, Nadi Rut pratyaya is, I will give the example. Bhafyaha Kumaryaha Yasyam Nagaryam. Sorry. Sa Nagari Bahu Kumarikaha. Bahu Kumarikaha means a city where many girls are there, more girls are there. That is called Bahu Kumarika, kap pratyaya, Nadi Sangnaka. Kumari is Ikaranta. Therefore, Kumari, when Bahuvri is having the Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda at the end, then this kap pratyaya will come. So this sutra, Nadyurutascha, very difficult to pronounce, is saying that if Ikaranta Shabda is there at the end, then kap pratyaya will come. Rukaranta is there also will come. Bahavaha kartaraha yasmin कार्ये तत्कार्यम किम वदति किम उच्यते हाँ हाँ बहुकर्तृका. So here we are applying what rule? When Rukaranta Shabda is there at the end of the Bahuvrihi, Kartru Rukaranta Shabda is there at the end, then Ka Pratyaya will come. Is it clear? Bahukartruka, Bahubhartruka. Bahubhartruka ka bhavat? Bahubhartruka. Draupadi. Bahubhartruka means having many husbands. Bahubhartruka. Alright. So this is clear? Okay. Then so this will take necessarily. And also Inahastriyam 157 I think. 15? Oh, 152. Okay. So when Inanta Shabda are there, Inanta Shabda are there at the end, like what? Bahavaha Dandinaha Yasmin Ashrame. So they, Bahava, Dandina means what? Those who have got Danda. They are called Dandi. In Pratyaya. Dandin Shabda is in Pratyaya. So, Bahu Dandikaha. Bahu Dandikaha. Sorry, Bahu Dandika Ashrama it will not come. Striyam. Striyam Vishaya. Yasmin is not correct. Yasyam Nagaryam. Because Triyam only. Triyam Vishay. Therefore, Bahudandika Nagari. Is it clear? When a feminine object is referred to and the Bahuvrihi is ending in Pratyaya, a word ending in Pratyaya, like Dandin Shabda, then Ka Pratyaya will necessarily come. So, three sutras are there. Mainly Uraf Prabhrutibhyaha Nadritahcha and Inastriyam to show that Kap Pratyaya will necessarily come. So only he has written some take it necessarily. For that this much explanation was necessary for us. Then some take it optionally, may take. For that sutra is Sheshad Vibhasha. Sheshad Vibhasha. I think 154. 54154. Vibhasha means optionally. Rest of them may take optionally. But some will never take it. So three categories. Some will necessarily take, some will optionally take, some will never take. In every group these three will be there. Some may do, some always do, some never do. So we have three categories. So here also Kap Pratyaya is there. And third one is will never take, and that is Na Sangnayam. There is a sutra, Na Sangnayam 155. 54155 there, Na Sangnayam. Some will never take, like Bahu, what is called? Parabharyaha. Bahu yash na sangnayam bahu yashaha bahu yashaha yasya. Suppose there is a person whose name is Bahu Yashaha, then this will not take. Bahu Yashaska will not be there. If Bahu Yashaha is his name, Bahu Yashaha Yasya, and it refers to a person whose name is Bahu Yashaha, Yashas, then it will not take. So na sanjnayam it will not take. And also iyasascha, when yes pratyay is there at the end, then it will not take. Bahushreyas. Bahu Shreyaha Yasya. So here it will be Bahu Shreyas only. Not, it will not be Bahu Shreyaska. This will not happen. So one group necessarily takes, one group optionally takes, one group never takes. So never takes 2 sutras. Then we studied 3 sutras for the necessarily and 1 sutra for optional. All right. So these rules are given here. Then one next rule, that is little complicated rule. We study in the next class. Hmm? Huh? Pada? Oh, okay, I'll tell you. There is a sutra, Vyakrapadi. Padasya lopaha ahastyaदिभ्यश्च. Huh? No, it is a sankhya, okay. And sankhyasu purvasya. Okay, sankhyasu purvasya. And padasya lopaha. Okay. Sankhyasu purvasya is it will for number and padasya lopaha astyadibhyaha. Okay. Number is what? Padasya lopa? 5 for 138. Okay. All right. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.